हरि ओम सुप्रभातम। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य संस्कृतभाषाप्रवेशस्य गीतामृतवर्धनम् इति कक्षायां गीता माहात्म्यं वयं पठामः। Good morning everybody. I welcome you all to this session of Sanskrit Bhasha Pravesha Geetamrita Vardhanam series. Today we will read little bit about the glory of Gita, reading and reciting, learning, studying and spreading Gita, that is known as Gita Mahatmyam. This is a program organized by our Satsang Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and we will learn starting with a prayer. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Patami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Dhyayami Samskritam Samyak Vande Samskrita Mataram Vande Samskrita Mataram. अस्तु ओम इत्यनेन वयं शुभारम्भं कुर्मः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। अस्तु आरभामहे। प्रथमं महाप्राणा ति tha. We have underlined all the Mahapranas. And for Diktam, Visarga and Anuswara, we have the rule where we can highlight the colors with the blue, yellow or green. And for all the text, we have everything in red. Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Gita Mahatmyam. So this is the glory of Gita. So, like what are all the, it is like you have Devi Mahatmyam. So it is Mahatmyam is telling us the use of why we have to study Bhagavad Gita. So we have to know the reason, how many times you read Gita in a day, or whether you can do one sloka also, starting from even one sloka or one word of Gita and going up to the whole full adhyayam and the full Bhagavad Gita per day, every day, or 1/3 of it, 1/2 of it, 1/6 of it, depending on how much you can do. That is known as the glory of Bhagavad Gita. So this is actually told in the Varaha Puranam. Varaha Puranam is the where it is written, the Gita Mahatmyam is written. So we now learn from that. Actually, there are many Mahatmyam, there are many shlokas. Some people say there are about 83 shlokas, and some Dhyana shlokas where we have done Dhyana shlokas. Some of them are included from the Mahatmyam only. So it is more than a Palashruti. We can think it as it is a more of a glory of Gita. So we now know why we have to learn this Gita Mahatmyam and know the value of reciting Gita, I read it. Dharovacha Bhagavan Parameshana Bhaktiravya Prarabdham Ujyamanasya Katham Bhavati He Prabhu. So Dharo is Mother Earth. Mother Earth is asking this question. Bhagavan, you are the Lord of Lord. Parama Ishana. Oh my dear Lord. Bhaktihi Avyabhicharini. Supposing there are people who are always in Bhakti Yoga, but they are very, very busy with Prarabdha Karma. They have to do the day-to-day activities depending on how they are born. Prarabdham Ujyamanasya Katham Bhavati. How can they get the benefit of learning you, or how can they become totally devoted to you? Katham Bhakti Ravyabhicharani Bhavati. Hey Prabhu, Bhagavan, Parameshana. But please tell me how people who are always engrossed in the samsara sagaram, who are always constantly merged in their prarabdha karma, how can they become devoted to you? Bhakti Ravya Vicharini Khatam Bhavati. That is what he is asking. Now who is going to start?
Jayanti Nagarajan Bhagini.
भगिनी श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ गीता माहात्म्यम् नेक्स्ट श्लोक भगिनी धरोवाच भगवन् परमेशान् भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी प्रारब्धं भुज्यमानस्य कथं भवति हे प्रभो
Parameshan.
भगवन् ओके मम्मी भगवन् परमेशान् भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी प्रारब्धं भुज्यमानस्य कथं भवति हे प्रभो
Uttama Bhagini. Next.
धन्यवाद
Mala Sampat Bhagini.
श्रीविष्णुरुवाच
First sloka, second time repeat it.
ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः अथ गीतामाहात्म्यम् तरोवाच भगवन्
Dharo. Dharati, Dhara is
धरोवाच भगवन् परमेशान् भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी पारब्धं भुज्यमानस्य कथं भवति हे प्रभो.
So now Vishnu is going to give the reply. Bhagavan is giving the reply. Shri Vishnuruvacha. Vishnu Uvacha. The Visarga becomes Repa. Shri Vishnuruvacha. Prarabdham Bhujyamano hi Thitabhyasat Pratastada Samuktasya Sukhi Loke Karmana Nopalipyate. So, let him be fully engaged in the Bhujamana. Prarabdham Bhujamana. Yeah, I fully agree that the persons can be engrossed in Bhujamana, in their work only, Prarabdha Karma. Even then, they, along with their mundane work also, along with that, they are regular in Gita Abhyasartara. Sada, always, they are going to be regular, constantly thinking of Gita, reading Gita, listening to Gita, on studying Abhyasam Karoti Chet, Sa Muktaha, he will become liberated. Sa Sukhi, they will become very happy in this world. Karmana na upalipyate. The karma bandham will not touch them. That is what Bhagavan says. So, प्रारब्धं भुज्यमानो हि गीताभ्यासरतः सदा समुक्तः स सुखी लोके कर्मणा नोपलिप्यते।
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी।
श्रीविष्णुरुवाच प्रारब्धं भुज्यमानो हि गीताभ्यासरतः सदा समुक्तः सुखी लोके
समुक्तः स सुखी समुक्तः स सुखी समुक्तः स सुखी
समुक्तः स सुखी लोके कर्मणा नोपलिप्यते।
It is all saha saha the visarga slopa samukta sasuki. Next question.
समुक्तः स सुखी लोके कर्मणा नोपलिप्यते।
Uttama. Next question.
रंजनी रमेश भगिनी।
श्रीविष्णुरुवाच प्रारब्धं भुज्यमानो हि गीताभ्यासरतः सदा समुक्तः स सुखी लोके कर्मणा नोपलिप्यते।
This karmana na upalipyate.
कर्मणा
Okay, repeat. Karmana nopalipyate.
कर्मणा नोपलिप्यते।
Uttama again. Now, so what are all the merits now? Bhagavan is telling. Maha papadi papani. So Maha Papa Adi, starting from Maha Papa, the great sin. Maha Papadi Papani, Gita Dhyanam Karoti Chet. If you only are able to, if Chet means if a person is doing Gita Dhyanam, then Kvachit Sparsham. They don't never ever touch you. Sparsham means to touch. Kvachit, ever, forever, na kurvanti sparsham. They don't touch you. Like what? Nalini dalam ambuvate. Nalini dalam is the leaf of lotus. Like the lotus leaf, the water, ambu is water. Just like the water drop on a lotus leaf, which doesn't touch the leaf. Like that, for a person who studies Gita Dhyanam, then he will not be touched by any sin. Even the Mahapapadi Papani will not touch him. Mahapapadi Papani Gita Dhyanam Karoti Che Kvachit Sparshana Kurvanti Nalinidalam Ambuvat.
महापापादिपापानि गीताध्यानं करोति चेत् क्वचित् स्पर्शन्न कुर्वन्ति नलिनीदलमम्बुवत्।
Bhagini, ambuvat is not Mahaprana. Ambuvat.
अम्बुवत् नलिनीदलमम्बुवत्।
That is correct. Next person.
जयंती भगिनी।
हाँ भगिनि। महापापादि पापानि गीताध्यानं करोति चेत् क्वचित् स्पर्शं न कुर्वन्ति नलिनीदलमम्बुवत्।
Now, not only that, wherever you keep your Gita book, okay, Gitayaha Pustakavi Yatra, the book of Gita, whatever book you read, wherever, whether it is your home or your office or in any public place, in a temple, so they are the merits. Now he's telling about even the presence of the book with you. Yatra Pata Pravartate. You are just going to a temple, there the Gita Parayanam is going on. You are not doing the Parayanam, but the Parayanam is going on in temple. So Yatra Pustakam Asti, Yatra Pataka Pravartate is going on. Tatra Sarvani Tirthani. So all the Tirthani, all Ganga, Gayatri, Kaveri, Godavari, all the Yamuna, Ganga, every Tirtha, Punya Tirthani, Tatra. Like we had told yesterday, no, whenever Rama is there, they're all Hanuman is there. Similarly, whenever there is a Gita book there or a Gita Patanam is going on, all the river or holy waters, Tirtham, all the Tirtha, Tatra Sarvani Tirthani, Prayag Adini, from Prayag, Prayag, you know, the Triveni Sangamam, you see the three rivers are meeting. So Prayagadini Tatravai, they are there only. Gitaya Pustakai Yatra Pata Pravartate Tatra Sarvani Tirthani Prayagadini Tatravai.
Jayanti Nagarajan Bhagini.
आं भगिनि गीतायाः पुस्तकै यत्र पाठः प्रवर्तते तत्र सर्वाणि तीर्थानि प्रयागादीनि तत्र वै.
उत्तमं भगिनि.
Mala Sampat Bhagini.
गीताया पुस्तकै यत्र पाठप्रवर्तते तत्र सर्वाणि तीर्थानि प्रयागत्तीनि तत्र वै.
Bhagini, here
Yes.
Prayagadini Pravartate.
गीताया पुस्तकै यत्र पाठप्रवर्तते तत्र सर्वाणि तीर्थानि प्रयागत्तीनि तत्र वै.
Prayagadini.
प्रयागातीनि तत्र वै.
Adini. Plural. From starting from Prayag. Prayagadini Tatrave. Okay. Repeat again. Prayagadini Tatrave.
प्रयागातीनि तत्र वै. Shall I repeat that again, madam?
Okay.
गीताया पुस्तकै यत्र गीताया पुस्तकै यत्र पाठप्रवर्तते यत्र पाठप्रवर्तते तत्र सर्वाणि तीर्थानि प्रयागातीनि तत्र वै.
So, Sarve Devaha Cha. Devaha Cha is Devascha. Rishayaha Cha. So, Rishayaha, Rishis and Devas, all of them. And Yoginaha, all the people who do yoga. And the Munis. And again, yogis are, they are perfecting in Siddhas. Pannaga is all the heavenly serpent. Adiseshan Adi, serpent. Pannaga Chaye. Gopala, then Gopala is the herdsmen who rear the cow and cattle. Gopika are the ones who play with Krishna. Vapi. So it can be anyone, either this or that. If you name a person, Sarva Deva, Rishai, Yogina, Pannaga, Gopala, Gopika, and also Narada, Uddhava, Narada are all friends of Krishna. And Parshadaihi, they are also nearby only. Wherever the Gita Pustakam is there, these people they come. And Sahayo Jayate Shigram. Yatra Gita Pravartate, wherever Gita is spreading, all these people will give you help. Sahayaha Jayate. Shigrameva Jayate. They give. So, Sarve Devascha Richaya Yogina पन्नगाश्च ये गोपाला गोपिका वापि नारदोद्धव पार्षदैः सहायो जायते शीघ्रं यत्र गीता प्रवर्तते. So this is 3 lines sloka. Yes, who is going to recite?
पद्मा भगिनी.
सर्वे देवाश्च ऋषयः योगिनः पन्नगाश्च ये गोपाला गोपिका वापि नारदोद्धव पार्षदैः सहायो जायते शीघ्रं यत्र गीता प्रवर्तते. மியூட் பண்ணி நீங்க.
रंजनी भगिनी.
सर्वे देवाश्च ऋषयः योगिनः पन्नगाश्च ये गोपाला गोपिका वापि नारदोद्धव पार्षदैः सहायो जायते शीघ्रं यत्र गीता प्रवर्तते.
Bhagavatam Bhagini. So, Bhagavan says, Lord Krishna, all people who are very near and dear to him, they are always surrounding the Bhagavad Gita book or the recitation or the Adhyayana. So, now Bhagavan is telling, Yatra Gita Vicharahacha. That is, we are discussing about Gita. No, Bhagavan says like this only. No, this is the meaning. That is the meaning. So, that discussion is going on. How we are sharing the knowledge. So that Gita Vichara, the discussion about Bhagavad Gita, you don't even have to have the book. You just talk about the sloka and then discuss about the sloka. And then Patanam. You can either study for yourself or Patanam. You are listening to some Patanam. Somebody teaching Gita somewhere, you are just be there to listen to it. In Saundarya Lagari, there is one shloka which says, like, oh God, Devi, goddess Saundarya, like, please, I want to be so blessed that, see, supposing, imagine I am going by a bus and the bus stops on main route for a fountain. So the fountain, I don't know that I'm going to reach the fountain, but that fountain comes there in the middle of the road. And suddenly one wave of air is just blowing. So the fountain, it is just the drizzle of water from the spring. It is sprinkled on to me because I am sitting in the bus. Like that, you give me your benefit. I am not there to receive that water. I am not watching the fountain. I am not enjoying the fountain. I am going by bus. I am a traveler. But it so happened that the bus stopped near or slowed down near that fountain. And suddenly one gush of air, it blew the fountain and got the sprinkling of water. Like that, oh Devi, please give me, sprinkle your love and your grace to me. Sprinkle your grace upon me. Let me be blessed. The same way here in this shloka, Yatra Gita Vicharaha Chalati. We are only discussing, just as observer. Some two people are learned people are discussing about Gita. Some people are teaching Gita, some people are learning Gita, you are listening. You are just there. Tatra aham nishchitam prithvi. In this world, definitely aham nivasami sadaiva. In this world, tatra aham is Bhagavan. Bhagavan says, yatra gita vicharaha cha patanam cha shritam. Tatra aham nishchitam nivasami. Sadaiva, always, sadayeva. So how beautifully Bhagavan is telling, I will dwell in this world wherever Gita is read, heard or taught. So that is how Bhagavan says the Mahatmya of learning Gita. Yatra यत्र गीता विचारश्च पठनं पाठनं श्रुतं तत्राहं निश्चितं पृथ्वी निवसामि सदैव हि।
जयंती भगिनी।
आं भगिनि। यत्र गीता विचारश्च पठनं पाठनं श्रुतं तत्राहं निश्चितं पृथ्वी निवसामि सदैव हि।
सदैव निवसामि सदैव हि
निवसामि
सदा।
सदैव हि।
उत्तमं भगिनि। नेक्स्ट पर्सन।
माला संपत् भगिनी।
यत्र गीता विचारश्च पठनं पाठनं श्रुतं तत्रागन्निश्चितं वृत्ति निवसामि सदैव हि।
उत्तमं भगिनि। So
Thank you.
गीताश्रयेऽहं तिष्ठामि गीता मे चोत्तमं गृहम् गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य त्रिलोकान् पालयाम्यहम्. So aham is again Bhagavan is telling aham Gita Shraye aham tishtami. So wherever Gita is ashrayati, ashraya it is taken as an adharam. Wherever people go by Gita, Gita Ashraye, they follow Gita, aham tishtami, I stand there. Gita me cha uttamam griham. Gita is the highest abode, my living place, my dwelling house. My favorite uttamam griham is wherever you are reciting Gita. And Gita jnanam upashritya, learning about the following the knowledge of people who are following in this three world, three lokan, aham palayami. I will protect this three world wherever the Gita jnana is followed. So Gita ashraye, that means refugee, take refuge in Gita. So I will be always standing to merit whatever I have taught in Gita. So I will be the God who will protect you in all three worlds. So Gita Shreyaham Tishtami, Gita me Chottaham, Chottamam, Cha Uttamam is Chottamam, Chottamam Griham, Griham is the house, the abode. Gita Jnanam Upashritya three lokan palayami. So whoever follows Bhagavad Gita, the three words, I will protect the knowledge of it. Based on the Gita's principle, I will protect all the three words. Gita Shrayeham Tishtami Gita me Chottamam Griham. Here it is not Anuswara rule you have to apply. This in Nakaram. Gita Jnanamupashritya Trilokan Palayami Aham. Yansandi.
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी।
Yes.
I'll recite this. गीताश्रयेऽहं तिष्ठामि गीता मे चोत्तमं गृहम् गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य त्रिलोकान् पालयाम्यहम्।
पद्मा सलवा गीताश्रयेऽहं तिष्ठामि गीता मे चोत्तमं गृहम् गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य श्रीलोकान् पालयाम्यहम्।
So now Gita me Parama Vidya. My Gita greatest study, science. Brahma Rupa na Samchayah. It is the Rupam of Brahma. There is no doubt in this. So the Brahma, formless Brahman, to become form. What is the form you got in Gita? Both the sound form and the script form. So the Parama Vidya of Gita is the Rupa of the formless Brahma. There is no doubt in this. Ardha Matra Akshara. Even half Matra Akshara. What is the half Matra Akshara? Om. Pranava. Om. Even Nitya. Every day you are able to say at least Om of Gita. Om Itya. Om iti Nirdeshaha. So, Ardhamatra Akshara Nitya Swa Nirvachya Pada Atmika. That is a padam which can Atmika Swa Nirvachyati. It can purify all your sins, your self-realization and self-upliftment. Even this Ardhamatra Akshara is enough every day, Nitya. Every day it purifies your body. You will do Om recitation 12 times a day. You will automatically, because that is part of Gita. So, Ardhamatra Akshara Nitya, Swanirvachya Pada Atmika. Aksharanam Akarosmi, I am only Om, Pranavam Bhagavan says. So, Gita me Parama Vidya Brahmarupa na samshayah Ardhamatrakshara Nitya Swanirvacha Padatmika. Here, Brahma. This Brahma is written, you must say always Brahma. Then, na samshaya, you must take it together with the samshaya. Na samshayah.
Ranjani Bhagini.
गीता मे परमा विद्या ब्रह्मरूपाण संशयः अर्धमात्राक्षरा नित्या स्वानिर्वाच्य पदात्मिका.
Uttamam Bhagini. Now,
Jayanti
sorry, one more person.
Jayanti Bhagini.
आं भगिनि गीता मे परमा विद्या ब्रह्मरूपा न संशयः अर्धमात्राक्षरा नित्या स्वानिर्वाच्य पदात्मिका.
Bahuttamam Bhagini. So, now says Chidanandena Krishnena Chit Anandam. So, Chittanandena Krishnena Prokta. This was told by Lord Krishna. Swamukhato Arjuna. To Arjuna. Swamukhato, his own mouth. Bhagavan only told the Gita. It was not told by anybody else. It's not written by a rishi. It is not written by a muni. It is not like any other grammarian or anybody else. It was purely in Panini and grammar. We say Maheshwara Sutrani. Enakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya. Akshara Samamnayam, a group of Aksharas taken Adhigamya, collected from Maheshwara, from Maheshwara himself, from his Damaru Nadam. Wherever he was dancing for the Sanakadi Munayaha, that picked up by Panini for his grammar. Ayun, Luruk, Eon, like that. All the Sutrani go like that. Similarly, this is Prokta Samukhato Arjunam. From Bhagavan's mouth only, this Krishnena Chittena forever. It is what is it? Supreme bliss. Under supreme bliss, only Chita Anandena Krishnena Prokta. That means what? Bhagavan did not say with any compulsion. He did not teach Arjuna with any somebody telling him, you have to do this. No. Out of his own will, because he was so dear to Arjuna, he wanted to uplift him. This was told by Krishna, Samukhato. So Samukhat, he talked to Arjuna. So Samukataha Arjunam Prokta. Chidanandena Krishnena Prokta. Kaya Prokta, Krishnena Prokta. Vedatrayi Para Ananda. So this gives you more happiness than the 3 Vedas. So the cream of Veda, Upanishad, above that it gives you Parama Ananda. All the 3 Vedas, Rig, Yajur and Sama cannot give you. See, when this Gita was told, there was no Atharvana Veda. Veda was only Vibhaga by Vyasa only unto 3. Sama, Rig, Yajur, Sama. Atharvana came later only. So here that's why they say Veda Trayi, Trivedi, Veda Trayi Parananda. So it is for whom? Tattvartha Jnana Sayuta. It is for all temperament, Artha people, whoever wants all the wealth and other Tattvartha. And Jnana Sayuta, people who want knowledge, Bhagavat knowledge, spiritual knowledge. For everybody, it applies. By learning Gita, by studying Gita, by doing Adhyayanam and by practicing Gita, it is not only for Vedic people, it is not only for a Kshatriya, it is not only for one point in time, it is for all people of all temperaments. Chidanandena Krishnena Prokta Swamukhatorjunam Vedatrayi Parananda Tattvartha Jnana Sanyuta.
Mala Sampath Bhagini.
चिदानन्देन कृष्णेन प्रोक्ता स्वमुखतोऽर्जुनं वेदत्रयी परानन्द तत्त्वार्थज्ञानसंयुता.
Bahutama Bhagini. Vedatrayi Paran is Dirgha.
Yes.
Okay. Next person.
Padma Srinivasan Bhagini. Pungodi Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी
Namaste.
चिदानन्देन कृष्णेन प्रोक्ता स्वमुक्तोऽर्जुनं वेदत्रयी पारानन्द तत्त्वार्थज्ञानसंयुतः.
Swamukato. Repeat that.
चिदानन्देन कृष्णेन प्रोक्ता भगिनी स्वमुखोऽर्जुनं प्रोक्ता स्वमुखोऽर्जुनं.
Correct.
वेद.
Dhanyavadaha. So now he says, now he is now telling how much to read. So big, no. May not have time for reading the whole book in the morning. Suppose you want to go to work, you cannot be sitting with Gita Parana for 3.5 hours. How will you go and then do the attend to office? So, Yaha Ashtadasham Jape Nityam. If a person has no other work, he becomes only Gita can do Parayana. Ashtadasham Japen. Every day, Japen Nityam. Every day he is able to recite all the 18 shlokas or 18 chapters. Yaha. And that too how? Naraha Nischala Manasa, without getting disturbed. Like today also you saw my grandson coming and sitting behind me. So that is again will give distraction. But Nishtala, that means it is only possible for very few. You can count a few only in this world who are having a Nishtala Manas for the time of 3.5 hours and to recite all the 18 chapters of Gita, Varanam at one time. Jnana Siddhim Saha Labhate. So for him, he will definitely, Jnana Siddhi is obtainable. Tataha Yati Param Padam. So that person can see the God's abode, Param Padam. So it is not for all. It's only for a select few, maybe only in a million. They can do this. So that is what Bhagavan says. It is not for all, but he is starting from there. So Yaha Ashtadashan Japen Nityam. It is not Niktam here. Japen Nityam. Nambunagama Sandhi. Naraha Naro Nischala Manasaha Jnana Siddhim Saha Labhate Tataha Yati Param Padam. So Yaha Naraha Nischala Manasaha Ashtadashan Japen Nityam Saha Jnana Siddhim Labhate param gatim yati. This is what meaning. योष्टादशं जपे नित्यं नरो निश्चलमानसः ज्ञानसिद्धिं स लभते ततो याति परं पदम्.
रंजनी रमेश भगिनी.
योष्टादशं जपे नित्यं नरो निश्चलमानसः ज्ञानसिद्धिं स लभते ततो याति परं पदम्.
Come on, begin. Next person.
जयंती भगिनी.
आं भगिनि. योष्ठादशं जपे नित्यं नरो निश्चलमानसः ज्ञानसिद्धिं स लभते ततो याति परं पदम्.
Uttama, bahut. So now he comes to Pathe Asamarthe Sampurne. Some people say Pathe Samagre also it is given in some books. It's both the meaning. Supposing if you are not able to Sampurna Samagra Pata Asamagre, not complete. Asamarthe means not capable of, not skilled. Samartaha Asamartaha. So Samagraha Asamagraha. So become incomplete. Sampurna Paranam you are not able to do. Pathe. Tatho Ardham Patam Achare. So do only 50%, only 9 chapters. Patham Acharet. Tada, that gives you, if even if you do 9 chapters in a day, it is equivalent to giving you the merit of Godanajam Punyam. The benefit you get out of gifting, donating a cow, the punyam you will get out of donating that cow, labate. Na atra, natra is na atra samchayaha. There is no doubt in that. So, even if you don't do 18 chapters every day, you do 9 chapters a day, every day. That gives you the merit of donating a cow every day. So, Pathe samarthe sampurne ततोर्धं पाठमाचरेत् तदा गोदानजं पुण्यं लभते नात्र संशयः.
माला संपत भगिनी.
पाठे समर्थे सम्पूर्णे तदोर्थं पाठमाचरे.
ततोर्धं ततः अर्धं
ततोर्धं पाठे समर्थे सम्पूर्णे तदोर्थं पाठमाचरे.
तदोर्थम् இல்லமா ततः अर्धं தான் பாதி பாடம் अर्ध पाठं ततोर्धं पाठमाचरे.
पाठे समर्थे
Can you repeat ततोर्धं?
सम्पूर्णे
Bagini, don't go from beginning. Correct your mistake alone. Tatordham. Can you repeat that word?
तदोर्थं पाठम्.
Bagini, only one word.
आचरे तदा गोदानजं तदा गोदानजं.
Mala Bagini, can you stop? Tatordham. Repeat Tatordham.
तदोर्थं
Tatordham. Once again.
तदोर्थं पाठमाचरे. तदोर्थं.
Bagini, there is no hurry for other words. The sloka is there, always there. Learn this word which is difficult for you. Tatordham.
From the beginning.
Yes.
पाठे समर्थे सम्पूर्णे तदोर्थं पाठमाचरे तदा गोदानजं पुण्यं तदा गोदानजं पुण्यं लभते नात्र संशयः.
Bagini, whenever there is a correction made, யூ ட்ரை டு ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆன் தட் கரெக்ஷன். அதை மட்டும்தான் கவனிக்கணும். நீங்க முன்னாடில இருந்து 24 தடவை சொல்லிட்டீங்க ஸ்லோகம், ஆனா இன்னமும் அந்த தத்தோர்த்தம் சரியா சொல்லல. யூ மஸ்ட் சே கரெக்ட்லி. தத்தோர்த்தம், தத்தோ
ततो ततो ततोर्थम
மகாபிரணம்.
ततोर्थम कृष्ण
நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்சன்.
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
पाठे समर्थे सम्पूर्णे ततोर्धं पाठमाचरेत् तदा गोदानजं पुण्यं लभते नात्र संशयः.
Uttamam. Every word is counting, so we cannot decide wrong. Tado, tada, artham means what? When that artham comes. But this is tatordham. Tataha ardham patam. So it is half lesson. So half the Gita. Okay? Understand the meaning and study well. Tatordham patam charet. Okay? Next. Now we'll go to 1/3 of Gita. Tribhagam. That is how many chapters? 6 chapters. So 9 from the full Gita. Now it comes to 9. Now it comes to 6. Tribhagam patamanastu. Patamanahatu. Supposing a person is able to read only 6 chapters, then what benefit he gets? Ganga snana phalallabe. Here's the benefit of having a dip in the holy Ganges. Kasi pona punyam. Ganga snana phalallabe. Shadam Sham, only 1/6, only three chapters. Shad Amsam with Shadam Sham, 1/6 of Gita. Japamanastu Somayaga Phalallave. Somayaga, there is like, it's a kind of ritual. Somayaga is a Soma sacrifice. That phalam you will get it. Tribhagam Patamanastu Ganga Snana Phalallave. Shadam Sham Japamanastu Somayaga Phalallave.
पुंगोड़ी भगिनी.
आं भगिनि. त्रिभागं पठमानस्तु गङ्गास्नानफललभेत् षडं सञ्चपमानस्तु सोमयागफललभेत्.
त्रिभागं पठमानस्तु गंगा स्नान फलं लभेत् षडं जपमानस्तु सोमयाग फलं लभेत्.
So now he comes to see Bhagavan how nicely, like a child, like a mother will beg the child, no, please do the full lesson. Okay, at least do 10 sums, at least do 5 sums, at least do 3 sums, then you go and play. The child is always thinking of playing. He wants to leave and go, run away. So give at least one sum, one paragraph, one chapter you study and go. Like that. Eka adhyayam tu yo nitya patate bhakti sayutaha. So at least one chapter, one adhyayam, sit in a place and read. Even take one kutti chapter like the chapter 12 or chapter 15 Purushottam Yoga. Sit in a corner of in your native, in your prayer room, and then at least focus bhakti samyutaga. That is with focusing fully on Gita, Bhagavan. So bhakti sayutaha, devote yourself to do at least one adhyayam every day. Nityam patate. Rudra Lokam, you will reach the Loka of Shiva. So everything is above Brahma Loka. That means you don't come back here. Rudra Lokam avapnoti, and you will become one of the Gana of Rudra. All the Ganas of Rudra, the Kinkaras, they are all very, very powerful, right? Rudra Ganas, 12 of them. So you will become one of the Ganas, and Bhutva, Vaset Chirankalam, Bahukalam. For a long time, you will be as a Gana. You live as a Gana. Very near Rudra. So how beautiful. Rudra Lokam avapnoti. You can read straight away. Every day you read one chapter, you will go to Rudra Lokam and be one of the Ganas of Shiva. Once you go to Rudra Lokam, you will not come back to this earth. Ekadhyayantu yo nityam pathate bhakti sanyutaha Rudra Lokam avapnoti गणो भूत्वा वसेच्छिरम्.
Ranjani Ramesh Bhagini.
एकाध्यायन्तु यो नित्यं पठते भक्तिसंयुतः रुद्रलोकमवाप्नोति गणो भूत्वा वसेच्छिरम्.
Jayanti Bhagini.
आं भगिनि एकाध्यायन्तु यो नित्यं पठते भक्तिसंयुतः रुद्रलोकमवाप्नोति गणो भूत्वा वसेच्छिरम्.
Bhagavatam. So once you know the meaning of Mahatmyam, you can recite very well. Very easy it is. Adhyayam shlokapadam va. There are two slokas here. One is the continuation of the sloka. So now he comes to coming down. Adhyayam shlokapadam. Please, one padam, you do the adhyayam. Nityaya patate. So at least one pada of one sloka. Either a shloka or a padam of the shloka, half of the shloka. Sayati naratai yavat manvantaram vasundhare. So he will be in this human body till the end of one manvantara. Manvantara is a period of Manu Yuga, Mahayuga, or 308 so many years, so many lakhs of years. 71 Mahayuga or 308 lakh, sorry, 308 crore, 448,000 years. That is called one Manvantara. So 71 Mahayuga. We are now in Kali Yuga. Like that, it will be 71 Mahayugas. So Mahayuga is having 4 yugas. Treta Yuga, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. So 4 yugas from one Mahayuga and 71 Mahayugas from one Manvantara. Till that time, even half shloka a day you do, you'll be keeping on, you'll get rebirth, but you'll be only a Manusha. Every Janma will be in a human body. You will retain the Narattam Yati. So he will not go back to animal form. He will always be a conscious. He will be given a brain in every Janma. So that you always think of God. Adhyayam shlokapadam va. Here it is makara, makara. Nityaya, here yakara. Nityaya pathate. This is Padmanya. Naraha sayati narayavat. Yakara. Manvantaram vasundhare. Vakara. So this always, all the 5 must know. Normal, makara, vakara, yakara, yakara, vakara. Adhyayam shlokapadam va. Nityayah pathate narah sayati naratai yavat manvantaram vasundhare.
Mala Sampat Bhagini.
अध्यायं श्लोकपादौ वा नित्यैः पठते नरः स याति नरतां यावन् मन्वन्तरं
यावत्
स याति नरतां यावत् मन्वन्तरं वसुन्धरे
manvantaram vasundhare. Vakara.
मन्वन्तरौ वसुन्धरे.
Correct. Next person.
Padma Srinivasan Bhagini.
अध्यायं श्लोकपादौ वा नित्यै
Adhyayam, not Ardha. Adhyayam.
फोर्थ भगिनी
But arru raila. Adhyayam. Gita adhyayam.
अध्यायै
Correct.
अध्यायै श्लोकपादौ वा नित्यैः पठते नरः स याति नरताय यावत् मन्वन्तरौ वसुन्धरे.
So, how he says, so below a chapter a day, you will get only, go only some, come back and go back, come back and go back. depending on the merit. So Gitayaha Shloka Dashakam. Either you can do 10 slokas or Sapta, 7 slokas, or Pancha, 5 slokas, or Chatushtaya, 4 slokas. Chatushtaya means 4 slokas. Thou 3 nek. It is even 2 or 3. Or Tadardam. Adila Padi. Either 1 or 1.5. Shlokanam Yaha Paten Naraha. If there is a person who reads like this, so 10 or 7 or 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1.5, or if a person is able to read, what happens will be in the next sloka. Gitaya shloka dashakam sapta pancha chatushtayam dau three dau dau ila da va dau dvau dau dau three nekanta dardhau va shlokanaya pathen naraha. இங்க வந்து 3 எல்லாமே இருக்கு. Who is going to say?
Ungodi Bhagini.
आं भगिनि गीताया श्लोक दशकं सप्तपञ्च चतुष्टयं द्वौ त्रीनेकन्त द्वौ सारी द्वौ त्रीनेकन्तदर्थौ वा श्लोकानाय पठेन्नरः.
Next person.
Ranjani Ramesh Bhagini.
द्वौ त्रीनेकन्
गीताया श्लोकदशकं सप्तपञ्चचतुष्टयम् द्वौ त्रीनेकन्तदर्थौ वा श्लोकानायः पठेन्नरः.
Bahutama Bhagini. Very good. So Chandraloka. You only come, you don't reach beyond Ramaloka, so you will come back. Chandralokamavapnoti Varshanamaयुक्तं ध्रुवम् Gita Patha Samayuktaha Vrito Manuchatam Rajet. So they go up to Chandraloka. You can only get Chandralokam, but Varshanam, Ayuttam Varshanam. Ayuttam is 10,000 years. Can be there firmly standing there for 10,000 years in Chandraloka. Enjoy the merits of Chandraloka. Chandraloka is so cold, right? It is very pleasing. Chandra, the light of pleasing Chandra it is. So you be in Chandraloka, and what happens? Even Mritto Manushatam, Rajit, even if a person is dying, he will get up and come to world. Gita Pata Samayuktaha. The person is constantly learn, not only every day one sloka, even at the time of death. In the time of death also you recite Gita. Gita Pata Samayuktaha Bhavet. Chandraloham Abapnoti. Varshanam Ayuttam Dhrivam. Ayuttam is 10,000. Chandraloham Abapnoti. Varshanam Dhrivam. Don't read Ayudam. Ayudam is different. Ayuttam. Ayuttam is 10,000. Gita Patha Samayuktaha Vrito Manuchatam Rajet.
Jayanti Bhagini.
Yes.
चन्द्रलोकमवाप्नोति वर्षाणामयुतं ध्रुवम् गीतापाठसमायुक्तः वृतो मानुषतां व्रजेत्.
Come on, Bhagini, next.
Mala Sampath Bhagini.
चन्द्रलोकमवाप्नोति वर्षाणामयुतं ध्रुवं गीता पाठसमायुक्तः मृतो मानुषदा व्रजेत्.
Manushataam Vrajet.
मानुषता व्रजेत्.
Correct. So, can Sapna Bhagini say both together?
Yes. गीताया श्लोकदशकं सप्तपञ्चचतुष्टयम् द्वौ त्रीनेकं तदर्थं वा श्लोकानायः पठेन्नरः चन्द्रलोकमवाप्नोति वर्षाणामयुतं ध्रुवम् गीतापाठसमायुक्तः मृतो मानुषतां व्रजेत्.
So, because he is used to reading Gita, when he comes back again to life, he'll get the human body and he'll be born again after Chandralokam 10,000 years. He'll come back to the world as a human being. So, Gita Vyasam Punah Kritva. So, after coming back from Chandraloka, again he reads Gita Vyasam. Because he is so much used to that vasana of reading Gita in his previous Janma. Again, the next Janma also he will be reading Gita. So, all of us now who was in the Gita Mrida Vardhanam class, I'm sure all of us, when if we get the life again, re-Janma, again will be associated with Gita in one form or other. In a better form. Like if you are a student, you become a teacher. Labhate mukti muttama. So you'll get a liberation. Uttama mukti. You get liberation in the next janmas. Gite chuchara sayuktaga. So he's constantly, sometimes we say in the exam, keep on studying, memorizing. Even during sleep, we'll be telling the whatever theorems and corollaries, everything, without our knowledge also. So subconsciously also, the uchara sayuktam, it will be there. It will be there in your mind. It will be repetitively to tell the Gita. Mriyamano gatil labhet. So you reach a state where you will not be again coming back to the world at all. So you'll be in the Chandraloka for 10,000 years, come back in the human form, do some more work on Gita. Again, you will, because of this Ucharanam is always constantly reverberating in your mind, you will reach a state of Mriyamano Gati, Mukti Uttama Gati Labhate. So that is what he is telling in Sloka. Gita Vyasam Punah Kritva. Punah Kritva is Upadmaniya, Jigma Mulya, Labhate Mukti Muttamam, Gite Tuchara Sayuktaha, Yamano Gatil Labhet.
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
Yes. Who is reading?
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
गीताभ्यासं पुनः पुनः कृत्वा लभते मुक्तिमुत्तमाम् गीते युच्छारसंयुक्तः
Gite iti ucharana. Gite ucharana.
गीतेत्युच्चारसंयुक्तः म्रियमाणो गतल्लभेत् गतिल्लभेत् गीताभ्यासं पुनः कृत्वा लभते मुक्तिमुत्तमाम् गीतेत्युच्चारसंयुक्तः म्रियमाणो गतिल्लभेत्.
இது மட்டும் மறுபடியும் சொல்லுங்க. கீதே துச்சார சயுக்தஹ.
गीतेत्युच्चारसंयुक्तः म्रियमाणो गतिल्लभेत्.
So, Gita. One more? Okay. Who is there? Pungodi Bhagini.
आं भगिनि. गीताभ्यासं पुनः कृत्वा लभते मुक्तिमुत्तमाम् गीतेत्युच्चारसंयुक्तः म्रियमाणो गतिर्लभेत्.
उत्तमम्. गीतार्थश्रवणासक्तः महापापयुतोऽपि वा वैकुण्ठं समवाप्नोति विष्णुना सह मोदते. So now you are getting repeatedly, you are getting the vasana of Gita. Every janma you do more and more of Gita. So Gita Shravana Asaktaha is tied, bound by listening to the Gita Artha. Gita Artha Shravana. With the meaning of Gita, somebody is learning Gita. Maha Papa Yuto Api. Even though he is a sinner in the previous, like Valmiki was a sinner, then he became a Muni Rishi to write Ramayana. So whatever is the sin we do, we will be, if we are learning, studying the meaning of Gita, Gita Artha Shravana Asaktaha Chet, even though Maha Papa Yutaha Apiva, we will repeated after repeated birth, Vaikuntham Samavapnoti. We will reach the Bhagavan's abode, Vaikuntham, God's abode, Vishnulokam. Vishnuna Saga Modate, will be able to play with and enjoy life. Modate, Modishyami, means I will rejoice. Rejoice with Vishnuna Saga. With Vishnu will be able to be reaching his abode. Our soul will reach Vishnu Padam. Gita Shravana Saktaha Mahapapayutopi Va Vaikuntham Samavapnoti Vishnuna Saha Modate.
Ranjani Ramesh Bhagini.
That is why we should know the meaning of Gita.
गीतार्थश्रवणासक्तः महापापयुतोऽपि वा वैकुण्ठं समवाप्नोति विष्णुना सह मोदते.
Bahutama Bhagini. Next.
Pungodi Bhagini.
आं भगिनि. गीतार्थश्रवणासक्तः महापापयितोऽपि वा वैकुण्ठं समवाप्नोति वैकुण्ठं समवाप्नोति विष्णुना सह मोदते.
So, Gita Dhyayate Nityam. So you must know the meaning. You must keep on, take one chapter and go through the meaning of Gita. So you can do YouTube, you can review the YouTube video, see what meaning was taught to you and try to understand that. So Gita Dhyayate, Artham of Gita. You are able to Dhyayate, you are able to understand and imbibe, take it in Nityam. Kritva Karmani Purishada. You do your duty also. So, but you can simultaneously think of the meaning. You can apply that meaning into your daily life. Suppose I am cooking, then I will think, oh, Bhagavan said, do sattvic cooking only. So let me go do a sattvic cooking with less spices, less of salt, less of sugar. I will do my karmani. I'll be Swacham Karami. I will clean myself before doing my prayer. So like that, every aspect of life, you apply Gita Artham. They are thinking, focusing on Gita Artham, everything. Everything you do, you think of Gita Artham. Nityam. Kritva Karmani Purishaha. Then what happens? He will become a Jivan Mukta. He gets liberated even in this life. He need not attain to other loka. The same life itself, Jivan Mukta. Liberated soul in this universe, like Shankaracharya. They are all liberated as they were living. Shirdi Baba, everyone, Jivan Muktaha. They are called as Jivan Muktaha. They are Muktaha in their life. Sa Vijnayaha. Vijnayaha, they are all very learned. Vijnaya. That is their spiritual knowledge ascribers. So what happens? Deha Ante, at the end of the life, Paramam Padam, they automatically reach God. So that means what? They don't come back again to Chadraloka or Vishnuloka, or any other place. They go back directly to Paramam Padam, Deha Ante, Paramam. So there are some people, Jnanis born in this world. Those Jnanis, like people, some followers of Buddha, Jnanis of Buddha. There are so many monks who are following, who give up everything in life and do a sannyasi. They know that every day they practice the Gita Artha Dhyana Vyayam. every day. Geetartham dhyayate. Every day they focus on that nityam. And as they do the daily job, Kritva karmani bhurishaha jivan muktaha saha vigneyah dehante paramam padam. They reach the paramam padam of God at the end of their life. So you always keep doing anything you do at home. Think of the Gita meaning in it. Geetartham dhyayate nityam कृत्वा कर्माणि भूरिशः जीवन मुक्तः स विज्ञेयः देहान्ते परमं पदम्.
जयंती भगिनी.
आम् भगिनि. गीतार्थं ध्यायते नित्यं कृत्वा कर्माणि भूरिशः जीवन्मुक्तः स विज्ञेयः देहान्ते परमं पदम्.
Yes.
माला संपत भगिनी.
गीतार्थं ध्यायते नित्यं कृत्वा कर्माणि भूरिशः जीवन्मुक्तः स विज्ञेयः देहान्ते परमं पदम्.
So Jivan Mukta is very difficult to attain. I don't know whether we will all be able to, but this is what you must know. You are ascending yourself, elevating yourself to reach God. So now as a Gita Mash, now he gives example of people who have benefited like this. The Jivan Mukta. Gita Mashritya Bhavaha Bhujo Janakadaya Nirdhuta Kalmasha Loke Hitayata Param Padam. Here, Bhujaha, the kings of the world, who ruled over the world, like Janaka Adayaha. From starting from Janaka Maharishi, so Maharishi only. Janaka, when Rama and Lakshmana, they are going into the Sarayu river, they are going to have a siddhi. That time, everybody is crying. So, people are asking, oh, you are not worried, Janaka. He comes to satisfy, pacify Sita. Because Sita also, I mean, all the others are in a very bad frame of mind. They are not able to withstand all that. So, what happens? So Gita Mashritya, because Janaka practiced Gita, so all the concepts given in Gita, Janaka has already known it. So he is in Ramayana Kala before Bhagavad Gita was spoken. The concept of Gita was followed by such Bhujaha Janaka Adeyaha. So what happens? They are Nirdhuta Kalmasha Loke. In this world itself, they have given up. So the Gita, the nectar of Gita, the Gita Amritam, whoever has Bhagavaha followed it, whoever was the Bhujaha, Janaka Adeha Bhujaha, so they will go Vitayata Padam Param Padam. So they will only go to Param Padam. Because things like Janaka and others will reach Param Padam after their life. So that is what God says. Gita Mashritya. Here you must not take how come Janaka was born before Ramayana was before Mahabharata. How does he know Gita? It is not like that. It is the concepts what is told in Gita. If only they have practiced when they were alive. Gita Mashritya Bhagavaha Pujo Janakadayaha Nirdhuta Kalmasha Loke Gitayata Padam Param Padam. So that means the Gita, the concepts of Gita, they are not new only after Mahabharata. The concepts of Gita are there from time primordial. So from the world was born, these are the Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic gunas are there. You have to understand. So in Gita, Bhagavan is retelling that to Arjuna. Not that nobody else knows of this. Everybody knows the concepts. People who follow this, they become Nirdhuta Kalmashaha.
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
गीतामाश्रित्य बहवः भुजो जनकादयः निर्धूतकल्मषा लोके गीतायार्थाः गीतायाताः
परं
परम्पदम्
पदम्
गीतायाताः परम्पदम्
उत्तमं भगिनि नेक्स्ट पर्सन
पोङ्गोडि भगिनी
आं भगिनि गीतामाश्रित्य बहवः भूभुजो जनकादयः निर्धूतकल्मषाल्लोके गीतायाताः परं पदम्
उत्तमं भगिनि so you have to follow Gita. That is what Bhagavan says. गीतायाः पठनं कृत्वा माहात्म्यन्नैव यः पठेत् कृता पाठो भवेत् तस्य श्रम एव ह्युदाहृतः श्रमः your efforts will go in waste श्रमं gives you श्रमम् एव ह्युदाहृतः श्रम एव हि उदाहृतः that means what you will get only the efforts become painful if you do Gitaya Patanam, you have completed, I have taught you Gita Amrita Vardhanam. But Mahatmyam, I have not taught you. You have not learnt. Mahatmya Naiva Yaha Patet. Naiva Patet. I have not taught you, or you have not learnt. That means it becomes a Vrita Pataha Bhavit. Incomplete Patam becomes a Vrita. Becomes empty Patam. So, Srama Eva, so it becomes a waste. So, if, whoever teaches Gita must also teach you Gita Amrita, the Mahatmyam. So the Gita Amritam is incomplete without Mahatmyam. That is what Bhagavan says. So Gitaya Patanam is Jivam Upadmaniya. Naiva Yak Patet is again a Upadmaniya. Shramaha Eva is Shrama Eva. Eva Hyu is Eva Hi Udahradaha. Eva Hi is Anshanti. Only the Shramam. Udahridam will be remaining. Udahridam will be incomplete study. So, Gitaya Patanam Kritva Mahatmyannaiva yah Pathet Vrita Patho Bhavet Tasya Shrama eva Hyudahritah. Yes, the
रञ्जनी
Diktam
भगिनी
गीताया
no Dvitam, but Bhave it Ratuta Bhave Tasya Ratuta there.
गीतायाः पठनं कृत्वा माहात्म्यन्नैव यः पठेत् वृथा पाठो भवेतस्य श्रम एव ह्युदाहृतः
Shrama eva hyu
श्रम एव ह्युदाहृतः
उत्तमं भगिनि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
गीतायाः पठनं कृत्वा माहात्म्यन्नैव यः पठेत् वृथा पाठो भवेत् तस्य श्रम एव ह्युदाहृतः
उत्तमं भगिनि very बहु उत्तमं so एतन् माहात्म्यं संयुक्तं so अभ्यासं करोति यः the person who does the Gita Abhyasam एतन् माहात्म्य संयुक्तं along with the Mahatmyam also एतन् महात्म्य संयुक्तं Gita Abhyasam एतत् महात्म्यं becomes एतन् महात्म्यं because the sandhi there namudagama sandhi tat phalam avapnoti so he gets all the phalam of whatever is mentioned before which is difficult durlabham phalam saha apnoti so it's a very difficult fruit that is to get moksha to get liberation to become a jivan mukta to reach God's abode to reach the lotus feet of the Lord, to reach Rudra Loka, to reach Chandra Loka, to reach Vishnu Loka, is all very durlabham. That durlabham, he can gatimapniyat, he can pass it all and cross it over and get that phalam if he reads the abhyasam of Gita along with the Mahatmya Sayuktam. You understand? Not only Gita Abhyasam, along with Gita Abhyasam, do Mahatmya Abhyasam also. Mahatmya Sayukta Gita Abhyasam. Yaha karoti. Saha durlabham phalam अवाप्नोति gatim prapnuyat, gatim apnuyat. So paramagatim, he gets it. This is the meaning. Etan, it is not etan. Etan maha, etan mahatmya sayyuktam. Maha illa ma. Etan mahatmya sayyuktam. एताभ्यासं करोति यः सतत फलमवाप्नोति लभां गतिमाप्नुयात्.
जयन्ती भगिनी.
आं भगिनि। एतन्माहात्म्यसंयुक्तं गीताभ्यासं करोति यः सततत् फलमवाप्नोति दुर्लभां गतिमाप्नुयात्. सतत् एतन्माहात्म्यसंयुक्तं गीताभ्यासं करोति यः सतत् फलमवाप्नोति दुर्लभां गतिमाप्नुयात्.
Next person.
माला संपत् भगिनी.
एतन्माहात्म्यं संयुक्तं
माहात्म्यसंयुक्तं
एतन्माहात्म्य संयुक्तं गीताभ्यासं करोति यः सतत फलमवाप्नोति दुर्लभां गतिमाप्नुयात्.
So Sutah is telling, Suta uvacha mahatmyametat gitayaha maya proktam sanatanam gitante chapatedyastu yaduktam tatphalallabhet. So maya proktam. So maya, by told by me. Varaha Puranam, Bhagavan is told. So Sanatanam, it is eternal words. So Mahatmyam eta Gitayaha Mahatmyam. This glory of Gita, what is told by me, stands good eternally. It's for all ages. Gita Antecha Patejastu. So read this Mahatmyam. We at the end of Gita, and you also read, listen and be taught Gita, Mahatmya at the end of Gita. Whatever was told, Yadu Uktam, Tatphalal Abhed. Whatever benefit was mentioned before, that phalam definitely he will attain. A person is able to read the Mahatmyam, read, recite, or learn, or study, or teach at the end of Gita, Gita Ante. Definitely, whatever phalam was told above, mentioned above, that Sanatanam he will get it. He will abate. Sanatanam labhet. Eternally, he will get it. Mahatmyametat Gitayaha Maya Proktam Sanatanam Gitante Chapatedyastu Yaduktam Tat Palallabhet. Here it is in, here it is ill. Here there is no dirgha. There is no dirgha there. So no diktam here. Patedyastu.
पद्मा श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
सूत उवाच माहात्म्यमेतद्गीतायाः मया प्रोक्तं सनातनं गीतान्ते च पठेद्यस्तु युदक्तं तत्फलल्लभेत्. यदुक्तं तत्फलल्लभेत्.
पुंगोडी भगिनी.
आं भगिनि. सूत उवाच माहात्म्यमेतत् गीतायाः मया प्रोक्तं सनातनं गीतान्ते च पठेद्यस्तु यदुक्तं तत् फलल्लभेत्. तन् तत्फलं लभेत्।
उत्तमं भगिनि। इति श्रीवाराहपुराणे श्रीगीतामाहात्म्यं सम्पूर्णम् सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। ॐ तत्सत्। So we have completed Gita Mahatmyam today, and if there are any questions, we'll take up after closing prayer. Who is there? Who said prayer? Sapna Bhagini?
Yes. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।
धन्यवादः।
भगिनी
धन्यवादः।
அந்த ஆரத்தி ஒரு வாட்டி பாடி காமிக்கிறீங்களா நீங்க?
Let us now stop recording. We'll talk. Sarvam Krishnarpanam.